Monsteras can be forgiving plants, and they are very good at telling you what they want. Watch your plant carefully and learn what to watch for and what signs mean. Dark brown spots on Monstera leaves is a good indication of the plant getting too much water. Being constantly wet, the roots lose access to air and the cells begin to die off and root rot develops. Monstera is quite sensitive to overwatering compared to some other plants, because in nature, the roots of this plant grow in the upper layer of soil, which is rarely wet for a long time. Monstera needs plenty of water, but it is better to keep the soil partially dry between waterings. The excess water and moisture can cause the root to rot, leading to the plant having dark brown spots and sometimes even leading to your Monstera developing black spots. If the soil is still wet, it is essential to skip watering for a day or two, because severe root of the rots can kill the plant. Make sure your Monstera gets excellent light and go easier on the watering while the plant recovers. You can also prune off the damaged leaves. Here are some signs of overwatered Monstera plant. Brown spots on the leaves, wet soil and Monstera wilting. The stem and leaves are turning yellow and brown. The soil is emitting a foul odor. Mold is growing on the soil's surface. This is how you fix and water your Monstera properly. A weekly finger test will let you know whether you should water your Monstera. To determine the moisture content, dig your finger 1 to 2 inches into the substrate. If you notice moisture, reduce the watering schedule. If the soil feels dry, then give your Monstera a drink. Sometimes, Monstera leaves will go brown and crisp on the edges. If you find your Monstera growing light brown patches or dry, crispy edges on the leaves, it is possible that you are underwatering it. Hope you like the information. Subscribe for more such videos.